All right, so welcome to the Blackboard tutorial. I'm going to walk you through the different links I've got set up for you in Blackboard. And also I'm going to show you and talk a little bit and comment on just the syllabus and the class schedule, and also to make sure that you're ready to begin week 1. So again, this is for applied accounting. This is the online section 212. So when you first log into Blackboard, you will be directed to the home page. And in the home page, you'll notice that I've got a welcome, an overview of the course, and some other rules about etiquette policy, technology requirements, and so forth. And I even included a picture of the book, and of course, it's a Connect Access card with ebook, and I've got the ISBN in there. If it is required, you do need to get this for the course. All right, so you'll find that in the home page to begin. And then the next link I've got set up for you, again, I'm just walking you through all these different links on the site here, is announcements. And you'll notice that the first announcement is just telling you that the Blackboard site is available. And then just review the following links, which I'm getting ready to talk about, all these links, which are pretty important. And then also just to kind of emphasize that you should get registered with Connect on before Monday, August 24th. All righty. So again, I typically use the announcements link just to kind of post a weekly announcement to make sure that you're on track each week, to make sure you know what you need to be doing. All right, so check your student emails regularly. All right, the next thing I got set up is the instructor. This is just a little bit about my background. There's me. And then the best way to contact me obviously will be through email, djariga@stlcc.edu. And I typically respond to all emails within 24 hours. So that's under the my instructor. Now, the next thing on the syllabus and the class schedule, which I'm going to open up in a minute. So again, I got the textbook just to make sure you do need to get the Connect Access card. But let me just say, you open up the syllabus. Let me just comment real quick on the syllabus. Let me get that open. Give me this moment. So in the syllabus, read through this. Make sure you're in the right section. Read through my my virtual hours. Again, I've got my email, course description. Here's your learning outcomes. I'm just going to page down to some of the things in the grading, just so that you're aware. Typically, I give 3 exams weighted at 100 points each. That's 55% of your grade. There'll be 10 quizzes at 10 points each. That's 18% of your grade. Your homeworks are weighted the same as the quizzes, so notice those are weighted the same. And then there will be a project at 50 points, about 9% of your grade. All these assignments will be submitted through Connect, so you do need to get to Connect. And just a couple comments on the quizzes. I do give you 2 attempts on each quiz, and I count the best attempt. They're all objective, and again, they're all in Connect. And then let me page down on the homework, because that's the learning part. I give you unlimited attempts on the homework, unlimited attempts. Just make sure that you get those submitted by the due dates, which I'll show you in a moment. That's in the class schedule. Because again, homework is how you're going to learn the material to master the content. And then of course you've got the project that'll be announced sometime after chapter 6. I'll give you all the details on that when we get there. And then everything else, I think you can just kind of read through. You've got the attendance policy. I do track the attendance, so make sure you're submitting assignments. If you're not, you get marked absent. I do have a drop date is like November 11th. And then everything else, I believe you can read about that. Here's the schedule. I got it in 2 separate files, but since I also have it in the syllabus file, you can kind of look at this and look at the pace of the course. Like week 1 will be chapter 1, week 2 is chapter 2, and so forth. Note the exam. The first exam will be the week of the 14th. Notice this over the first 3 chapters. Notice everything, again, is in Connect, and I got the due dates listed out there for you as well. And then you can kind of see as I page down the pace of the course. Exam 2 is October 12th through the 18th. Then you can see that's when your project is available. And then the final thing is your exam 3, which will be due on Friday, December 18th. All righty. All right, so review that. Let me get back to our screen. There we go. So again, there's your class schedule, and of course, register with Connect. Very, very easy. There is a 14-day free trial period, so if you have an issue with paying, you can always register for free. If you go the guest route with the free route, I would wait until probably the 24th to register, because once you do, the time starts. So you have 14 days from the time you register, and then at that point you do have to pay for it. there's the ISBN for this particular package that you need to buy for this course. Alrighty, so again, that is under syllabus class schedule. And then of course, Connect registration instructions. You can read through this. This will take you through the different links and how to register. It's very simple. Here's a Connect registration link. If you just click this, this will take you right to the McGraw-Hill website. And then I have another one right here on just a basic link here, what I call Connect website. That's the same link. It's just some ways that's going to take you right in to the McGraw-Hill website to log in. Learning modules. And again, I'm over here in the learning modules. Open up all these chapters. Every chapter contains all of my recordings. And so if I just open up, let's say chapter 2, notice I have an overview, agenda, follow the agenda. I've got all my videos downloaded into all my modules, play those. And of course, you can log in at the bottom to get to Connect, to start to do your homework and also to take quizzes. I tried to set up all the different learning modules to be the same type of format. And here they are right here. So this is all of my teachings. Again, this is stuff that I've recorded. This is not somebody else teaching it. So hopefully that helps you learn the concepts and master the content. All right, so learning modules is where you want to go. Everything else, I've got lecture notes. If you want to play or print those and use those for notes. I've got PowerPoints. I've got the ebook solutions for these are the extra problems you want to work in the book. And of course, a section here where you can check your grade. One more thing, I will make a quick comment. Let me go back to the learning modules. So you'll notice that you click a learning module, and I've got these videos in Connect. There's also a smart book video tutorial in each chapter. Those are optional. You will see those when you do log in. You do not have to do those, but sometimes it's for extra learning. So if you're wondering what those things, it says SP in the Connect, that's what that is. Those are just videos that the textbook company created. Alrighty. So last thing, just a couple things, is make sure you do get registered with Connect on or before Monday, August 24th. Just go back here and register. If you have any questions, email me. And again, my email is again right here, djariga@stlcc.edu.